Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw another Jurassic World Rebirth dinosaur, and in this one it's going to be the Distortus Rex. If you guys want to see other dinosaurs from the movie, or maybe even some surprise fold ideas, definitely let me know and I'd love to draw them. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with our Distortus Rex, let's begin right here with the eye. So I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to go down and then it's going to curve up. Then I'm going to make a small little curve inside here. Let's make a couple little lines right around here. A little line's going to kind of go up and down. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up for the other eye. And a small little curve here. Now right here, I'm going to make a little bump and then another little dot here just for like the nostrils. And we'll put a little line right above each one. Now I'm going to curve this line up and down. And then I want to start on the mouth next. So I'm going to start back here, and I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to go up. We're going to kind of come down, and then we're going to curve this around to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up like this. I'm going to bring this line down. And then we're going to bring this up to here. Now, let's make a little line back here for the back of the mouth, and then let's put some sharp teeth in here. And then let's put some sharp teeth right along here, too. Then we're going to put some right there. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down like this for the tongue, and then another line right here. Next, I'm going to make some broken lines right here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then I'm going to go down and up here. I'm going to bring this over and then up here for the jaw. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to go in and then out and in again. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up like this for the top of the head. And then we're going to come down to here. I'm going to bring this up here for the jaw. Then I'm going to bring this line up here like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to add a couple little kind of bumpy, curvy lines. Then I'm going to bring this line up and then down to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come down. And then we're going to go over like this. Bring this line down. We're going to go over and then kind of bring this up and around here. I'll make another one right here. And then one more over here. I'm going to bring this up and then into here with a couple lines, and we're going to curve this up. Now we want to kind of shape out the neck, so let's make a couple little curved lines here. Then we're going to make those little small claws in the front. So I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down. And we're going to make a couple little points like this. And bring this in and then up to here. I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to make another one here. I'm going to make a point here and then a point here. Make this down and come in. We're going to go to here and then bring it there for the chest. Over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down for the other arm. We're going to make another line here, and then we're going to bring this straight down. Make a long, sharp, pointy line there, and then a second one here, and then bring that up. As you bring this up, we'll add a small little claw. Make a line here, and then we're going to bring this up here. Now, I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down the back. Then I'm going to curve this line to here for the tail and then bring it back because it has a smaller tail. For the leg, I'm going to bring this towards the arm. I'm going to take this back here. I'll bring it down. Make a sharp point here, and then another sharp point there. We'll make a little claw that's going to come down here. Bring this line up and in. And I'm going to curve it here and bring the tail to connect. Then for the other leg, we're just going to start here. We're just going to go down and then in. We're going to come down and then put just 2 claws here and bring it over to there. Now we got our basic shape of our Distortus Rex. We just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So I'm going to kind of curve some little lines right around here, kind of shape out the head. And then I'm going to put some more little lines coming back here. We'll make some broken lines here and here. And then make some little lines right around the eyes. We're going to add details on the claws, and always put those extra little lines on here. Let's add a claw there. Put little lines on the knuckles. And we're going to put some more little lines on there. He even has lines on these claws as well. I like to make little broken lines coming down here on the arms, and I like to put them on this arm as well. Even kind of curve this in, put some extra little lines on there. Maybe a couple little lines just to show where it's going to bend. And even another claw over there. A couple extra lines for like some ribs. And some curved lines here, some little lines on there. And then extra little lines kind of right on the arms and everything and the legs. A couple little lines on the tail and along the back. And even some right where these little arms are. And a couple along the head as well. I'm even going to throw a couple lines here for some detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Distortus Rex from the new Jurassic World Rebirth movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.